got some bad news. SQL uses semicolons. Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess and today we're going to be looking at SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language and is used for manipulating and retrieving data from databases. Let's look at an example. As we said in the intro, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So a standard query in SQL looks like this. Select column from table where condition. So let's take a look at a database to see how this works together. Here we have a database of bees with the columns type, amount, and area, with 3 records of data filled in. So let's create a query for this database. If we want to select the type of bee from the bees database, where the amount is 2, what do you think the output will be? I'll give you a few seconds. The output of this query is the mining bee, because we wanted to select the type, which means we're looking at this column, and our condition was where amount is 2. And if we look here and here, what matches both of those criteria is the mining bee. This next query is a nice little trick. We have select in this star or asterisk from bees and no where clause. So this star here means all. So we're saying select all from bees. And this is our bee database here. So have a think about what the output would be. I'll give you a few seconds. The output is all of the data from the database because we're saying select all, meaning all of the records, all of the data from the bees database. So as you can see, our bee database and the output is everything. The type, the amount, and the area. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep the code coming. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.